Within a decade, biosynth innovation had
Wait,
completely.
AI, repeat that again, please, from the beginning. Thank you.
Sure, here we go, and I'll say it nice and quickly for you. Once upon a time, there was a company much like Ginkgo Bioworks called Biosynth Innovations. They focused on harnessing the power of DNA programming to solve global challenges. One day, they cracked the code to create a microbe that could consume plastic waste and turn it into clean energy. This breakthrough spread across the globe. Cities began using these microbes to break down mountains of plastic pollution. Within a decade, biosynth innovation had completely changed the world, making plastic waste a thing of the past and powering a greener future.
Wait, is that true? Is there such a microbe right now that is similar to that?
Yes, there are indeed microbes that can break down plastic. For example, researchers have discovered bacteria like Commomonas and Ideonella sacaiensis that produce special enzymes capable of breaking down PET
Oh,
plastics.
but the one in the story you told is like a more powerful one. Is that correct?
Exactly. The story I shared was fictional, and it described an even more powerful microbe than the ones that currently exist.
Got it. How if they developed something that could take carbon out of the ground or the air, or another molecule that will prevent global warming and make even more oxygen in the air and make it healthier for all life without increasing wildfires?
That's an amazing vision. Imagine a next-generation biotech breakthrough, a synthetic microbe that removes carbon dioxide from the air, converts it into stable, non-flammable biomaterials, and releases extra oxygen. Such a microbe could help reduce atmospheric carbon, improve air quality, and even help ecosystems thrive, all without fueling wildfires. Scientists
How about could they develop a chemical similar to like hallucinogenics, where it breaks down the imprinting, where they hit imprinting or trauma, without all the risk, something that's more navigational? Like I heard something like automatic flying planes, and I know that's the whole thing of psychedelics, but something that
It sounds like you're exploring the idea of a breakthrough substance, something that could help people process trauma or break old mental patterns, similar to how psychedelics can shift consciousness, but without the risks or side effects. Researchers are indeed investigating non-hallucinogenic compounds that could provide similar mental flexibility and emotional healing by targeting neuroplasticity or trauma-related pathways in the brain. This field is rapidly evolving, and future innovations could offer.
Wait. How about a company like Cybn or Mind Medicine? I know they're doing it. Tell me a fictional story about one of their breakthroughs.
All right, let's imagine a fictional breakthrough from a company like Cybn or MindMed. Picture this. Cybn develops a revolutionary compound called NeuroClear. NeuroClear is a next-generation psychedelic-inspired molecule. It gently resets neural pathways related to trauma, but without hallucinogenic effects. Patients report feeling a deep sense of clarity, as if old emotional imprints have faded away. This treatment becomes a game changer for PTSD.
It shreds the trauma and neglect, and it does healing pathways, such as
Exactly. This fictional breakthrough would fundamentally rewire how the brain processes trauma and neglect. It's like the compound helps the mind gently untangle harmful memories, dissolving their emotional grip. Meanwhile, it guides the brain toward healthier neurological pathways, fostering resilience and emotional balance. The result? The individual feels relief from past imprints, gaining fresh clarity and mental freedom, without the risks of traditional psychedelics.
So theoretically, that's fictional, but how long is, if we could hazard a guess, that might be something that could really come about in reality?
Based on the latest trends, we're seeing rapid progress in the field of trauma healing therapies, particularly with psychedelic-assisted treatments. By 2025, there are ongoing clinical trials and even potential FDA approval of new therapies.
AI, but Cary Grant, when LSD was first introduced in the late 50s, before it became out of the bottle, it was revolutionary in its healing. Are we going to come to another renaissance like that? You, from your calculations or your anticipations?
It looks like we are indeed heading into another renaissance. With the breakthroughs in psychedelic-assisted therapies and the development of non-hallucinogenic alternatives, we're seeing a surge of innovation. Experts predict that by the mid to late 2020s, these therapies could become mainstream,
Got it.
offering
Okay, that's for entertainment only.